Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Minecraft mod needs language provider JAVAFML. If you're seeing the mod needs language provider JAVAFML error in Minecraft, it usually means the mod you installed doesn't match the Minecraft or Forge version you're running, either because it's too old or built for a new release. To fix this, open your browser and return to the site where you downloaded the mod such as Curse Forge. Find a mod page and check the supported game versions listed on the site. Then click View All to see every compatible Minecraft version available. Download the file that exactly matches both your Minecraft version and your Forge version. Then remove the old mod from your mods folder and replace it with the correct one. Before launching the game, double check that your Forge installation also matches the mod's requirements. Once everything is aligned, restart Minecraft and the error should be gone, allowing the mod to load normally. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.